Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Spigen Tough Armor MagSafe case for my iPhone 13 Pro. They do make this case for any iPhone 13, so if you do want to buy this case after watching this video, do follow my Amazon affiliate link down below. Now this case comes in currently at $23.99 with Prime shipping, and obviously if you know my videos, you know that I'm a big fan of Spigen branded cases. I absolutely love their cases. Now the Tough Armor is obviously one of their more recognizable cases. It's one of their OG cases, I like to call them. But the big winner part is with that MagSafe magnet built in the case. Now in the interior, obviously we have this new look with these yellow cushiony pads inside here that's going up against your phone. You have the magnetic surface there as far as the MagSafe ring there. So definitely pretty nice to have MagSafe capabilities with this case. On the upper left-hand corner there, it does say air cushion technology. So you are getting little tiny airbags in each of the corners to help dissipate the energy away from the phone in the event of a drop. And then here at the bottom, just some serial number it looks like, and then it does say Spigen in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. So let's get my iPhone 13 Pro and slap it in. So I'm going to start with this side and kind of just click in, and that's all she wrote, guys. So there is the case installed. So as you can see, it's very recognizable knowing that it is an iPhone, because obviously you got that big circular cutout there for the Apple logo. On the side here, we do have a very not noticeable Spigen cutout there. And then here on the top left-hand corner, we do have some very generous lips that do go around the camera bump there. So as you can see there, guys, that there is a lip for sure. So those lenses are going to be nicely protected for sure against any surfaces or drops. Now on the back of the Tough Armor case, we do have this very nice matte finish that I really love. I've always been a big fan of these matte finishes on Spigen cases. It's kind of a two-tone look. It's a little bit of a lighter black and goes into this darker black on the top and bottoms here. Very rounded corners with the little cutouts there. So obviously you can see that kind of look there. So now let's go ahead and look at the sides. And one thing to point out is that this is your actual phone, not a piece of glass or anything like that. So you're touching your phone itself. So that is kind of the only issue I have with this case, is I do wish there was some sort of film or something over the Apple logo there. But the side here, as you can see, you got Tough Armor branding there. And then we do have PWR for power. And it is a flat button, so it kind of tries to give you that very seamless look on the side there. And then as you can see, that matte finish kind of rolls up to the sides and then goes more into this like a TPU material right here on the edges. And then going to the bottom, we do have a nice cutout there for the lightning port and our speakers and stuff down at the bottom. And then going to this side, obviously we have absolutely nothing on the bottom other than just a big grippy part here. And then we have plus and minus for the volume buttons, which once again, just like the power button, are flat. And then a cutout there for the alert slider. And then going to the top here, nothing other than just the little slits in there. But then you can kind of see how the camera lips stick out just a bit there. Now flipping it over to the front, we do have some lips, so we are getting 360 screen protection when it comes to this case, so definitely going to help out. Obviously this case is a very good case for drop protection, so you're going to get some really good drop protection with this case. It is tempered glass friendly, and as you can see there up at the top, you do have a very unnoticeable slit there that just goes right above the new raised speaker up there at the top. But there you go. And then that's the look of it from the front. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So doing back down first with that big old giant camera bump, there is a little bit of a wobble in that corner. And obviously that's to be expected since it is a giant iPhone 13 Pro camera bump there. But doing face down, no wobble at all. So in my next test that I do is the clicky button test. So let's do power button first, then we'll switch over to volume up and down. So power button first. And volume up and down. Okay, so very clicky, even though they aren't raised, which I do wish they were raised, but it is what it is. But they are very clicky and responsive. So now let's see how easy it is to get to that alert slider. So let's kind of just do thumb and index finger. So pretty easy. I don't really have super long fingernails, but I'm able to get it pretty easily there. So no problems there. And then now let's do the MagSafe capabilities and see how strong those magnets are. So obviously, there we go, MagSafe compatible, obviously. Very snug connection, definitely not going anywhere until you really give it a good tug. But when it comes down to it, I mean, I'm shaking it pretty hard and it's not coming off. But I have to like really, there we go, jerk it pretty hard there. That's what she said. And it will stay on until you do that, and then it will fall off. So I have used this in my vehicle with about 2 different MagSafe like chargers in my vehicle, and it has performed just fine with those, so no issues at all with that. But yeah, guys, there it is. There's the Tough Armor from Spigen. Obviously, you know what you're getting when it comes to the Spigen cases. We get some really great drop protection, some great looking cases, and just all around, just giving you that confidence and peace of mind of knowing that your phone's safe inside of a case like this. Feels good, very lightweight considering it is a Tough Armor rugged case. But like I said, my only issue is just having the back of the phone exposed. So like I said, I do wish that either A, it was just completely flat and just covered up, or maybe some sort of like a plastic film or cover to protect that. But I guess it is what it is. But yeah, so hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.